My name is Mark Langsfeld. I'm the owner here of Build It Workspace, located in beautiful Southern California, Los Alamitos, just only a few miles from the beach. We are a makerspace, and we also a prototype for people and do engineering design work as well. We use the vacuum former in conjunction with CNC to create the mold, and even if we wanted to go through and create some detailing to the mold, we could also use our lasers. 3D printing recently has also become a mainstay where we're using that with our vacuum forming as well. So it's a great addition to have the Formec as part of our lineup. So one of the reasons we chose the 508DT from Formec was because it's a compact size, but also it is safe, efficient. With having the quartz induction heaters inside, it is able to ramp up in temperature fairly quick, and then it can come down to be put into a standby mode. Additionally, one of the reasons we like it is it's safe. We have members come in on a regular basis
like
that,
me.
yeah, like
you. Yeah,
who
teach me how to use it, and I use it.
Exactly. So we have Maxime here who comes in, uses the equipment, and will work on a project.
So the project right now that we're dealing with is a machine, a drone that needs to collect samples. And we've discussed with Mark the mold,
Yep.
and that will be the top of the quadcopter. So basically he designed the top, but we talked about it, how it's going to look. We wanted that feel of a shark. And I think with the Formec machine, we'll get a great result very quickly and be able to test the prototype.
So here we are now with our drone. We just took the shell off. We went through and trimmed with a basic knife, and we're gonna see if the basic measurements are accurate. We still have a few more cuts and also some more beautification as far as cleaner edges, but we got what we wanted, and later today we'll be able to fly.
And now it's ready, and let's go out and see if it flies.
Well, great job, Maxime.
Thank you.
The cover held on beautifully, and to imagine, it only took about 24 hours from when it was originally designed in CAD, CNC'd, and vacuum formed, all so quick. Thanks, Formec, for helping us out.
Yeah!